All right, y'all, it's Nate back here at our Vintage Air Garage giving you a sneak peek at our new 79 to 93 Mustang Foxbody kits. This is going to work for our V8s with and without factory air. We're going to start off with our big Superflow condensers here that's running through our reduced barrier hose kits all the way to our new compressor system here. This is going to use our compact 7B10. That's going to replace your old clunky compressors, whether it's the York or the FS style. That's going to work with your factory brackets and factory setup on your engine. You can see here how much smaller and clean that is compared to your old compressor setup. Moving inside, we're going to have our super magnum evaporator that you can barely see underneath the dash here. That's got our big blower to give you 20% more airflow through our 2.5-inch ducts to keep you ice cold in your 5.0. It's also going to maintain your factory glove box here and your factory side defrost feature. Over here, we've got our brand new all electronic control panel. That's going to give you infinite control over your mode, temp, and your fan controls there. That's also going to be dimmable with your dash lights to keep a nice factory look. All right, we've got a little bit more to do to get these kits out for y'all in time for you to get them in for the summer. Until next time, y'all stay cool.